You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this US diplomat, founding father of the United States. If you want to learn more names from the history of the US or the presidents, for example, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as Benjamin, Benjamin, stress on the first syllable, Benjamin Franklin, Franklin. English pronunciation, US, Benjamin Franklin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.